All right. So we have a trade recap today. This is how I made around $250 trading UCS, I think. Look, I should have made a lot more. Let me see if this looks any better. I think that looks better. Bro, for some reason, I can't figure out how to do this. This thing will not. Whatever, bro. It doesn't show my background, but that's not the point, right? That's not really matters here. Um, so yeah, I'll go into just showing you guys what I was seeing in the market. So overnight, right? We already know we had a ton of bullish price action today. I'm sorry if you took shorts, probably got cooked, but we tapped into this 4 hour right here, and then as we can tell, we got extreme legs to the upside off of that. Same thing going on here. Tapped into, oh no, did not tap into the 4 hour, but there's a bullish SMT because NQ took out these lows. Yes, didn't, so there's a bullish SMT as well. But coming into the open, we opened here. Yes, pre-market pushed past these highs, but the reason I still wanted to take a trade off of this is because look how we closed, right? We closed completely above it. That's not really respecting that area, okay? Let me just, hold on. So we're not really respecting this high. That's like an indication to me that at least NQ would want to take it out, which is what happened. NQ took out this high. Now I didn't really care because I knew that we were going to draw higher, especially because if you look at the 4 hour on ES, we have this 4 hour imbalance that we actually inversed. So I was 100% confident price wanted that ES wanted these highs, which is what happened. I think ES might even draw to these highs, just not in the time frame that I trade, but that's all right. So, bro, this shit keeps getting messed up, dude. So anyway, let's go to market open here on the 15-minute. Yes, market open is around right like here, and what happens? We sell off. I'm like, okay, I bet. I usually I this is what I want to see because I want to see manipulation down to expand back up because my bias is bullish. Okay, so what happens? Right, we come down and we fill. It's actually we come down into this 30-minute imbalance and we respect it very nicely. I'm like, okay, like this is very bullish. Bullish order flow is what the market seems to be giving here. We also came down into this to this internal range equilibrium. So I'm like, okay, order flow is very bullish, respecting very bullish PD rates. Like we're very bullish. So I go to the 5-minute. Okay, I'll get rid of I'll keep it. So I go to the 5-minute and I want to see manipulation. So I'll do this in the 1 minute. It's probably a little bit clear, a little bit more clear. I'm gonna get rid of this because all right, I'm gonna get rid of this. This is the 30-minute for value gap. I'm just getting rid of it for now. So we have these lows down here that NQ never reached, but if you go to ES, this is 839 lows, and ES actually took those lows out. So we have an SMT right there. That's good. That's a good confluence for me. And after we get that SMT, we get some legs to the upside. I'm not really looking for anything yet. I need to see a little bit more. What happens? We have NQ comes down and takes out these lows, which gives another SMT here. So we have another bullish SMT here, and ES is the more bullish index here because as you can see, this is the SMT. ES is more bullish. So we form that SMT. I'm like, okay, that price is obviously bullish. Order flow is very bullish. We're definitely looking like we have a lot of room to the upside here. So I'm like, this is amazing. We tapped to do a 30-minute. We have a couple bullish SMTs here, two SMTs to the upside. And what else do I see? So we have this 1 minute that is being respected. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta turn the shit off. It's a little bit annoying. So we have this 1 minute that's still being respected. I didn't want to take it off the 1 minute because it's already been tapped into, but I just had it marked out. I see we come up and we completely displace past this 1 minute. We inverse it, and that to me is a good sign that order flow is bullish, and the highs are probably going to get taken. So oh my god, I set up my take profit stop loss like this, and I walk away because I had class, not because I was like just wanted to walk away. I had class. I couldn't stay on the charts. I set just a alert to see if take profit would get hit, and I was gonna go break even right here. This is my break even point because this was also an SMT at the time because NQ never actually even took it out. We still have an SMT there, but besides the point. I wonder if I could fix this. Yeah. So we ended up obviously running. We came down, got close to stop loss, but I wasn't even on the charts. So I didn't give a fuck. I wasn't here. I think we created another SMT at these lows. Let me check. Yeah. So we created another bullish SMT here, which is just even more confluence. And then, okay, I get back on the charts around right here. And I'm like, okay, break even right there. I'll go break even if we get to that high. Again, keep in mind my overall draw on liquidity was this 4-hour external high up here, which eventually got hit, right? But this is the annoying thing. So I use Top Step X. I still don't understand it fully. I mean, I understand how it works, obviously, but I didn't understand how to set up another take profit. And I was like messing around. I wanted to see if I could set another, just to take profit here, take off a lot of position because price is choppy. I wanted to take off some position here as well as going break even. So I tried doing that and I accidentally clicked market sell 5 out of my 7 cons. So it closed 5 out of my 7 contracts that I was in. I had 2 left. So I let those 2 hit the break even spot and I didn't even get to, I closed, most of them were closed like around here. Like most were closed here and then it ended up hitting the break even spot, which is where I closed the other 2 cons because I'm not, it's really not even worth it. I would have barely made any, it doesn't really matter, guys, because like if I left the runner here for 2 cons, I would have made 180. And honestly, I didn't want to have to fucking wait around for that. I wanted, originally, this trade should have won me like around 750, but I won 250 because of how I accidentally closed stuff here. It's unfortunate, man. I can't lie. It definitely got to me a little bit, but you know, I knew where the market was drawing towards. It was you know, very clear day for longs. Still trying to fix this shit because I don't really like it. I'll do like this. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Anyways, that was the whole trade today. We have a bunch of good confluences to the upside, so definitely, you know, I was confident in longs. Price as well was also very, very bullish. Order flow is extremely bullish, so I just wanted to trade with the flow of the market and with the trend. So that was a trade recap. Now, obviously not trading Monday. The market's closed. Be back Tuesday. Bro, this thing is really annoying. You guys can't see my background, but it's whatever. Like I said, I am, just for my future self, like I am trading the way I am trading a little bit differently. Just trading based off of what the market is telling me because, bro, if I'm being honest, I barely trade anymore. I've traded probably like fucking 2 times. No, I think in the past month I've traded 3 times or 4 times, which like that's not sustainable for trading. Where you're not going to end up really getting anywhere with trading 4 times a month, because like even if you have a good win rate, you're barely taking any trades, and at that point, bro, you're not even a day trader. You're more of like a fucking week trader, bro. You don't, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't, if you're taking like literally 3 to 4 trades a month, which is what it's been for me for the past like 2 months, it's definitely not right. Like your model shouldn't be that rare. Like a model isn't really that rare to take only that many trades for the past 2 months. Like I probably took like 7 trades the past 2 months. It was actually fucking wild. Just because I was following my model and I realized like my model is not setting up. And when it does, it's decent. It's not amazing. It's probably like a 60% win rate. It's decent. But it's literally barely setting up. And if you really want to make day trading work, you have to find something that sets up consistently in the market, not like 3 to 4 times a month. So I had the realization and, you know, I was like, I already know all these confluences. I understand market structure. I understand usually where price is drawing towards, what the draw liquidity is based off of other things. And I'm like, I'm really holding myself back here. Like, I'm not benefiting myself whatsoever by trying to just follow a model that doesn't set up. I'm not benefiting myself. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to use what I know to collect a bias and then take trades towards the drawn liquidity that I believe in. That's like, it's that simple, guys. Wherever I think the drawn liquidity is, London, Asia highs, London lows, whatever it is, that's what I'm going to try to find a trade to. I don't really have any restrictions on my trading unless obviously there are some things that you can't break. Like if you're taking a trade for no reason off of no confluence, I'm not stupid. Like obviously you can't take trades for dumb reasons. You can't force trades either. Price has to be drawing, the drawn liquidity has to be clear with confluences that are good towards the drawn liquidity that has to be clear. That's it. I used to have a step by step checklist. It's written up here. But I'm like, bro, it is not setting up. Adapt. You have to adapt to market conditions. And with this, how I'm trading from now on, it's so easy to adapt to market conditions because you're not following a step by step checklist. You could say it's a checklist. You could kind of put it into checklist form, but it's really mostly just you trading based off of price action and order flow. That's how I'm trading. So I'm definitely liking the way that I'm viewing this. This was a really good trade. I was able to understand where the market was going based off of a bunch of things. So yeah, I'm from now on just trading based off of order flow and where I think the market is going to go based off of what I know. And that is ICT concept. So other than that, I appreciate you guys. Ending the week in the green, of course, because this is the only trade I took this week. That's why I wasn't posting, because it was a bunch of market recap bullshits that I didn't want to do because my model wasn't setting up. Oh, no trades. I'm tired of it. I'm not trading at this point. It's really just me watching. It's not even me trading. That's why, again, I'm not really trading like that anymore. I am still using the same confluences pretty much, but yeah, I definitely like inversion for value gaps more now because, if I'm trading based off of order flow and price inverses a fair value gap, it's disrespecting, in this case, bearish order flow. It's disrespecting that, and then order flow is now bullish, right? As you can see, that's exactly what happened. So yeah, I am liking inverse value gaps more here. Order flow is bullish because of two things. I mean, actually, way more than two things, but these two specifically is why I entered. We're expecting a bullish fair value gap. We're expecting bullish order flow, disrespecting bearish order flow. So therefore, I wanted to take this long. It was a good trade. Yeah, other than that, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.